Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply add the Glmr to your Trust Wallet account. So first of all, we're going to be using the toggle at the top right corner of the screen. Once you've clicked on it, click on this plus sign. Make sure you switch over to the network section, click on network, and in the place of switch network, make sure it's on Ethereum. So you click and make sure it's on Ethereum. Click on this chain list. Make sure you scroll down till you can find Moonbeam. Hold on till you can find Moonbeam. Click on Moonbeam. Click on save. Once it's done, we're going to be heading over to the chain has been added successfully. Once it's done, we're going to be using toggle. Click on this toggle. Click on Glmr or search for Glmr. Glmr. Here we go. I do not have any of these tokens currently, but with OKX, that's a centralized exchange, I'll be able to get it. So you simply minimize, open up your OKX. Once OKX is opened up, make sure you've got some cryptocurrency assets you can use for swapping, seeing as that's the only method through which we're going to be able to get the Glmr coin. So the next step is to click on this toggle at the top left corner of the screen. Click on convert, and where it says spend, we're going to be using the OKB. That's the coin I currently possess, OKB. And in place, we're going for Glmr. So that's GLMR. Click on Glmr. And let's click on max. Click on max. And we're getting 11 of the Glmr. So let's go with 0.03. 0.5 of the Glmr, 0.3. Click on convert. Click on convert again. Boom. Proceed to click on view assets. And once you've viewed assets, you simply reload till all your assets are shown. As you can see, we've got $1 of the Glmr. So all you need to do is simply click on withdraw, and they will show you a list of currencies. You simply click on withdraw the Glmr again. Click on chain. And now we're going to be entering the address. So you simply minimize, click on this Trust Wallet, open up your Trust Wallet, click on receive, click on copy, minimize, open up your OKX mobile app, paste that address there, paste, and the network would either enter automatically. Okay, it's done. Click on max, and the fee is 0.01 of the Glmr. So all you need to do is simply click on submit, and then you're going to have to fill in your email and phone verification, and the Glmr would be on its way to your Trust Wallet. But before any of this can be done, you must have an account on OKX, and using the link in the description of this video and making sure you get your account once it's opened, you get the account to a verification level of 2, and you've made a deposit of $50, you stand a chance to get a mystery box worth $10,000, and all that can be done by simply using our link. So please make sure you use the link in the description of this video to open an OKX account. So once that's done, once you've sent your Glmr to your Trust Wallet, all you need to do is simply minimize your OKX and open up your Trust Wallet and open up your Trust Wallet. Once Trust Wallet is opened up, all you need to do is the toggle at the top right corner of the screen, click on it, search for Glmr, GLMR, simply click on your Glmr, and once you've clicked on Glmr, you can see here we sent the 4.5 Glmr that I wanted to send. As you can see, the Glmr has been deposited on our wallet. So guys, that's how you can simply send the Glmr. That's how you can simply add Glmr to your Trust Wallet. And if you have any questions, please comment down below and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.